and solar cells. Arsenic is also used in the production of some LEDs, light-emitting diodes, which are used in lighting and displays. Alloying. Arsenic is sometimes used as an alloying element in the production of metals such as lead, copper, and brass. Arsenic improves the hardness, toughness, and corrosion resistance of these metals, making them more suitable for various applications. Arsenic is also used in the production of some types of ammunition, such as shotgun shells and lead shot. Glassmaking. Arsenic is used in the production of certain types of glass, such as lead glass and arsenic silicate glass. Lead glass, also known as crystal, is made by adding lead oxide to molten glass. The lead oxide increases the refractive index of the glass, giving it a high level of brilliance and sparkle. Arsenic silicate glass, also known as arsenate glass, is made by adding arsenic trioxide to molten glass. This type of glass is highly resistant to thermal shock and chemical corrosion, making it useful in laboratory equipment and other specialized applications. Pigments. Arsenic-based pigments have been used for centuries in art and decoration. The pigment known as orpiment, which is a bright yellow color, is made from arsenic sulfide. Orpiment was used in ancient Egypt, Greece, and Rome, as well as in medieval Europe. Another arsenic-based pigment, known as Paris green, was used in the 19th and early 20th centuries as a green pigment in paints and wallpaper. However, Paris green is highly toxic and has been largely replaced by safer alternatives. Risks and safety concerns. Despite its many applications, arsenic is a highly toxic substance that can pose significant health risks to humans and other living organisms. Arsenic can cause a wide range of health problems, including skin lesions, cancer, cardiovascular disease, and neurological disorders. Long-term exposure to arsenic has also been linked to a range of developmental and reproductive problems, as well as to a weakened immune system. In the past, many people were exposed to arsenic through contaminated water, food, and air. Arsenic occurs naturally in some groundwater and can also be released into the environment through human activities such as mining and industrial processes. Arsenic exposure has been a particular problem in some parts of the world, such as Bangladesh and India, where large numbers of people have been exposed to high levels of arsenic through contaminated groundwater. To protect public health, many countries have set limits on the amount of arsenic that can be present in drinking water, food, and other products. The World Health Organization, WHO, has set a guideline value of 10 micrograms per liter for arsenic in drinking water. In addition, the use of arsenic-based pesticides and wood preservatives has been banned or severely restricted in many countries. There are a few additional aspects related to arsenic that are worth exploring. Arsenic in food. Arsenic can be found in some foods, particularly in rice, due to the way in which the crop absorbs the element from soil and water. This has raised concerns about the potential health risks of consuming arsenic in food, particularly for populations that consume large amounts of rice as a staple food. While the levels of arsenic in rice are generally not high enough to cause immediate health problems, there are ongoing efforts to reduce exposure and find ways to mitigate the risks. Arsenic in alternative medicine. Arsenic has been used in some traditional and alternative medicine practices, particularly in Ayurveda and homeopathy. However, these uses of arsenic are controversial, as they involve ingesting potentially toxic levels of the element.